In this video, we'll discuss how to add an email signature in HubSpot. So to do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot homepage, and from in there you can find this gear icon right here. Proceed to click onto this gear icon. Once you're in there, you can see all your settings right here. So what you can do is you can find the General tab. Proceed to click on this. This is usually the first part onto this particular settings page. So onto this case, click on email, and you should be able to find the settings for email signature from here. So scroll down, and in here you can see this manage email signatures. Click onto this right here. And then after that, it will ask for the signature that you want. So click onto this add new signature. Do take note that it's only available under the Pro plan. We currently have the plan, but we don't have the Service Hub Professional. So make sure that you have it, and from in there, just continue adding right here your signature that you wish to use. It can be a simple signature or an HTML. So for example, it's put right here this. And once you're done, head over and click on save. And then your email signature will be saved right there. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.